Try to take a dip in the pool but realize your mistake the second your tail hits the water. Final proof that curiosity doesn't just kill the cat, it also gets the cat a bath they did. You realize another year has passed and you still haven't caught the red dot.
Meow 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 meow.
You realize you have been sitting in the same spot for 3 hours and your only accomplishment is successfully licking your own. You try to touch your sibling and I'm finally going to start my diet and exercise. You tell your barber you just want a little off the top, but he starts performing a full physical and checking your insurance coverage. Cat literally used a finishing move from the top rope and the puppy did not see it coming. Gravity is a tool of the feline agenda. Strategy 10, execution. Your cat has the athletic ability of a potato but the confidence of a leopard. It is not a fail, it is a creative interpretation of gravity. Classic corgi moment when the adventurous spirit is high but the ground clearance is dangerously low. The cat is actually a professional goalkeeper, but the team is currently looking for a new stadium because he just broke. You want to be a fierce wolf, but your mom makes you wear the neon pink booties so you don't scuff the kitchen tiles. High fashion is painful. Kitten chooses violence and Pikachu is not handling the 100,000 volts of cuteness very well. You try to act cool in front of your crush, but you're... Top 10 photos taken second. Your neighbor opens a bag of chips 3 blocks away and you have to confirm the flavor. I told my cat the reflection was another cat moving in to share the rent and he immediately chose. The dog saw a cast and immediately assumed his owner lost all basic motor skills. He is really out here providing a full-service concierge experience for a sprained wrist. Dog was really out there doing a full prayer for that scooter's survival only for it. 3 a.m. existential crisis hits and you realize you have zero thoughts behind those eyes. Your dog hears the word walk and chooses the nearest exit. Find the perfect shade of dragon fruit pink and you just have to let the whole forest know you are a material girl. I put my cat in the laundry basket to see if she would finally start pulling her weight around the house. And thought he was a majestic leopard, but the floor reminded him he's just a floor model tabby. That is not a cat, that is Mission Impossible Meow Edition. Target acquired. Stealth mode activated. Extraction in progress.
Help me to sit around some stranger's office talking about Luke. It's not how I deal with it, alright?
It's not about you, it's about her. She's in Rio.
Mistakes were made, but at least the spin cycle really hits that one spot behind the ears. Convinced my cat thinks this is a premium membership at a water. Houston, we have liftoff. Never mind, Houston, we are. That moment when you realize the bed is actually a giant heating pad and you are about to become a toasted marshmallow. I was trying to tune my guitar, but I accidentally summoned a white fluffy. When the pre-workout hits right in the middle of your bathroom break.
Baby.
I am?
And ain't nobody finna touch me.
Online me versus me in person. My cat has two modes: loaf and parkour. Precise moment her soul leaves her body as she realizes cats have zero respect for the laws of physics. You try to figure out if it is a dog in a car or a black metal fan waiting for the bus.